Hi, fourth graders. Today we're continuing our objective to learn units of metric length and using our knowledge of place value to help us convert to different units. We just want to remember that when the directions ask us to convert to a smaller unit, that we know that a kilometer is larger than a meter and a centimeter is larger than a millimeter. So if we're converting between kilometers and meters, then meter would be the smaller unit. If we're converting between meters and centimeters, centimeter would be the smaller unit. All right, so you're going to need your lesson 1 problem set. I will keep my meet open today if you have any questions, but your job today is to finish the entire problem set and number 1 of the homework at least. Okay? All right, so I would like to review converting, and we'll do CA and CB together. All right, so with kilometers, well, I know that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. And so I know that then 4 kilometers would equal 4,000 meters. And then I can see that this is just a basic subtraction problem from here. I would rewrite this so that I could subtract accurately. And then I